right now, all we're gonna be doing, this is where we've been dumping brush at, but all we're gonna be doing right now is just stacking it up into a decent pile so it's not everywhere. We've got, excuse me, our logs separated a little bit here. So we're gonna get those guys kind of stacked off to the side neatly. Just clean it up here, give us some more space to dump some material, and so it looks good. So let's get in this thing and let's keep chugging here. Well, I guess get started for the day. Alright, so you can see basically how we're going to be stacking these. This stuff's all going to get cut up, maybe used for firewood, maybe just burned, who knows. But we just wanted to separate it so it's not just sitting in the brush pile. And then we're gonna create probably a brush pile here, maybe another one over here to try to do 2 separate burns if they're, you know, getting too big. But realistically, once this gets stacked up in this area, probably just make one big one that's linear. So the wind's usually coming this way, light it at this end and let it burn through the pile. That's probably gonna be the best way to do it, because it's usually west, east, wind's gonna be blowing this way. So if they light it here, it's gonna slowly work its way through the pile. Like one of those snake things you see on the 4th of July. So, let's get back in the 325. Bird. Out there looking for field mice or something. Let's get back in the 325 and get at it. Alright, so we got the thing pretty much squared up now. A lot more room to dump material here where the machine's sitting, and I just noticed actually, looks like when I grabbed something, it pinched this shield in, and we've got a bit of a leak somewhere. I don't see any cuts in the lines. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but there's definitely something going on there. I'm hoping it's just one of the fittings came loose or something like that, so. I don't see any cuts of any sort. I don't see any fractures, nothing looks way out of place, so we'll see what it is. I'll have to take that shield off and get in there.